As one chapter closes, another one opens, as 10 teams are set to embark on a journey to be crowned champions of your Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40. As we are back here inside SM Events Hall in SM South Mall in Las Piñas City, where a new team is set to debut in IT Depot Teleathletics, led by former Adamson Falcon Roella Kapati, who is set to play in his 3rd season with us. They will be going up against one of our pioneer teams in Lakas 40, the runners-up in Season 1 but fell in the quarterfinals in Season 2. They will be under a new name this season in Saints Polytech, led by Super Mangi himself, Renoel Mangiat. It's opening day of your Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40. First game natin, IT Depot kontra Polytech Saints, and second game natin, Magnificent Manila and JC2 Arky Slashers. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Alvin Tanyada. At kasama po natin for this opening day games, it will be the wise man of Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Pancho Alfonso. Coach, it's another season for us dito sa Lakas 40 ng ating Sinag Liga Asia.
That's right. New chapter, Coach Alvin, and good afternoon and a gloomy Sunday afternoon to all of our Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 basketball fans.
Yes, oo, kung gloomy nga sa labas, dito naman itong taon to ang magbibigay liwanag sa ating lahat dito sa ating laro. Our courtside reporter, the queen from the south, Penelope Wilhelmina Pen. Ito na yung inaantay natin, tapos na yung kalibre 45, tungo naman tayo sa panibagong yugto ng Lakas 40.
Yes, Alvin and Coach Pancho, magandang hapon sa inyo at sa lahat ng mga kasinag na nakatutok sa kanilang ng tahanan. Alam nyo ba, itong IT Depot Teleathletics is about to unfold dahil they are the former UP Fighting Maroons and the former soaring Adamson Falcons. Pero dito naman sa panig ng Polytech Saints, their Season 1, what could have been, and their Season 2 heartbreak, ito daw Season 3 is a comeback for them. Mga reports ko later on, pero ngayon balik muna sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Ben, and we'll hear her stories later on today. And don't forget to like and share our Facebook and Instagram page at Sinag Liga Asia, and don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. At since magsisimula na nga tayo ng ating mga laro ngayon, ang ating Lakas 40 3.0 ay every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays po dito po sa ating through our social media pages and YouTube channel and through our TV partners. And also, malapit na rin po ang ating DOJ Interagency Cup, and that will be powered by Sinag Liga Asia. And right now, let us go over now to our tournament format para pag-usapan natin. Ano ba ang ating tournament format, Coach Pancho?
Yes, ang ating tournament format and lots of games. Total of 10 teams that we have here sa 3.0 natin. So, single round elimination, and then top 6 teams advance to the quarterfinals, and then of course, as usual, top 4 teams with a twice a bit advantage. So, same format. Ang pagkakaiba lang dito, Coach Alvin, is merong play-in tournament na mangyayari dito. So, more exciting tournament, lots of games, kaya ang dami nga abangang games ng mga Sinag Lakas 40 3.0 basketball fans natin.
Yes, and that is why we are so excited for this season of ours, Coach Pancho. At alam natin, 10 kuponan nga ang magbabakbakan para makuha yung titulo na yan, with Fire Chief leading the way of yung ating mga teams. And you can see there, we have JC2 Slashers, Saints Polytech, a new team in Red Arc Wi-Fi party list, Magnificent Manila, San Pedro Mamba will be returning, IT Depot, one of those new teams, and again yung ating defending champions, Fire Chief, Exile still is there. Ito yung maganda, pinagsamang Sea Lions and TPD, they will be playing as a combined squad. And syempre, yung pinakahuli, yung Skytrack Aviation Services, Tito Rex Basketball. Yun yung aabangan natin dito for our yung mga teams na maglalaro. Now let's go over to Penelope Wilhelmina, who will be interviewing our chairman, Mr. Rocky Chan.
Yes, Alvin and Coach Pancho, ngayon kasama ko nga ang chairman ng Sinag Liga Asia, very own Boss Rocky Chan. First of all, Boss, magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Good afternoon, Ben. And sa lahat ng mga kasinag natin, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Boss, our Season 1 and Season 2 of Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 has been very successful, no? Alam ko madaming nagtatanong, what's in store para dito sa ating 3.0?
Yes, siguro it's getting more exciting and we would like to welcome our 3 new teams on board. And all of the teams, I think, nagpapalakas. And of course, sa mga original teams natin, we're happy that they continue to support our Sinag Lakas 40. And all the 10 teams are now regular members of the league. So expect to see them for the next couple of years with Sinag Liga Asia.
Tuloy-tuloy pala ang bakbakan dito sa Lakas 40. No, Boss, baka meron po tayong mga upcoming tournaments na pwede po nating i-invite ang ating mga kasinag.
Yes, of course. Sana patuloy niyong suportahan itong Sinag Lakas 40. It's gonna be something exciting. All the teams have beefed up their lineup, player changes. So, expect walang magpapatalo. And of course, upcoming 2025, by January, we're gonna start off our Sinag Liga Asia Interagency. We'll kick off with the SLA DOJ Interagency Tournament. So, abangan nila. And of course, coming July, our SLA Junior World Showcase goes to Cagayan de Oro. So, abangan nila. There's more and exciting tournaments ahead of us. And again, maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong mga pagsuporta, mga kasinag, and of course, our sponsors na patuloy pa rin sinusuportahan ang liga natin.
Maraming salamat po, Boss Rocky. Once again, that's the chairman of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Rocky Chan. Now back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Penelope, and that is our chairman, Mr. Rocky Chan. And Boss Coach Pancho, ang daming mga darating pang events sa atin.
Yes, exciting developments coming up dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. And ngayon, uumpisahan na natin yung 3.0, Coach Alvin.
Yes, and syempre, both teams gustong simulan na maganda to. Kaya that's our game story for today. Start it right.
That's right.
And that is why we are so excited to start things right here for our tournament. And now let's check the roster of our 2 squads. Simulan natin dito sa IT Depot Tela Athletics, and they are being led by former Adamson Soaring Falcons players and UP Fighting Maroons. Names such as Abby Santos is there,
yes.
Ira Buico, Jocelyn Cervantes, 3 players coming from that UP Fighting Maroon squad. Nandiyan naman si Josh Gustilo, and then we do have ito si Gonzalgo, and add to that si Roel Capati, all coming from that Adamson Soaring Falcon squad.
That's right, Coach Alvin, and familiar names and a combination of old and new players, but grabe yung lineup. Former UAAP stars,
Yeah.
and they are being led by their playing coach, of course, Coach Vic Epres na maglalaro ngayon.
Wala pa dyan yung Hiram Bagatching,
Oo.
because he's part of that pro player rule natin dito. Now let's go over now to the next squad. Etong isa sa mga squads na kumbaga a strong start in Season 1, pero medyo nag-stumble in Season 2. Ito ngayon, under a new name in Saints Pulitech, still under Coach Dave Gomez. You can see names, the usual names as Super Mangy is there, Ronald Hawkins, Gilbert Isiganyo, but no Gilbert Malabanan anymore para sa lineup na to. But they added 3 new pieces rather, in Alvin Vitug, you add Ron Zagala, and tong si J.R. Rosales.
Grabe yung pinakita mo doon, Coach Alvin. Nawala si Coach Gilbert Malabanan, 3 malalaking pangalan ng pinalit. Ganyan ka-seryoso itong Saints Pulitech para makamit itong, napaka-ilap na championship para sa kanila. At yun yung gagawin nila dito sa Season 3 ng Sinag Lakas 40 3.0.
And now let's try to hear what the coaches are in store here. Let's turn it over back to Penelope Wilhelmina with the head coaches of the respective squads.
Yes, gentlemen, before we start our ball game, we will be having our pre-game interview, and I am joined here by the 2 head coaches for both teams. Here on my left side is Coach Vic Epres of ITD Stella Athletics at dito sa aking kanan is the Coach Dave Gomez of Fulitech Saints. Unahin na natin dito si Coach Vic Ebres. Coach, first of all, welcome to Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 3.0. Now, what's in store for your team for this season?
Well, actually, we're new to the league, no? So, medyo kakabayin muna namin yung mga first few games namin. But expect a lot of competition between us and, of course, the team na kalaban namin for today.
That's very nice to hear from you. Baka meron po kayo mga gustong batian at pasalamatan.
Actually, I would like to thank, of course, yung team namin, si Boss Long, of course, the IT Depot, and of course, Stella Athletics. Tapos yung mga supporters namin, yung family namin, na nanonood dito sa Sinag 40.
Thank you so much, and I'm wishing you a good luck for this ball game. Here on my right side is your very own Coach Dave Gomez of Fulitech Saints. Coach, your Season 1 is what could have been. Your Season 2 is a heartbreak. What's in store for Season 3?
Well, una-una, I'd like to welcome ITP to Sinag. No, yes, this is our third season, and you're correct. It was a heartbreaking Season 2 for us. No. And also for Season 3, we lost our MVP, si Coach Gilbert Malabanan. So we have to retool. We had to retool. The core of the Saints team of the past are still there, but it's going to be a new look, same program, Saints basketball that you can expect from us. Thank you.
Now, Coach, I'll give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, at mga invites na rin po.
Yes, unang-una, I'd like to greet my co-owner, si Consi Edward Salvador ng Fulitech. I'd like to greet my family, my friends, supporters ng Saints basketball sa Laguna. Thank you.
Once again, that head coach Dave Gomez and also the team owner of Fulitech Saints. Now coming up is the battle between the Fulitech Saints and the IT Depot Athletics. Now I'm turning you over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, for our Sinag Lakas starters of the game.
Good afternoon mga ka-SLA, and we're coming to you live inside the amazing SM South Mall, Las Vegas City. Welcome to Sinag Lakas 40 3.0. This is presented to you by Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV, powered by Converge and SLA Sports Production. We got the doubleheader games on day 1 of the competition, featuring our first match. It's the battle between IT Depot X Stella and your Saints Fulitech. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your IT Depot X Stella. Starting at guard number 1, Joshua Gosilo. Also at guard number 12, Paul Gonzalgo. At forward number 13, Ira Buico. Also at forward number 21, Ruel Capate. And center number 81, Aves Santos. IT Depot X Stella is led by playing coach Vic Ebres, assisted by Cholo Sineres, Wilson Tan, Marcos Celestino, Louis Barona, and Deep Coward. Team owner, Mr. Long Juan. Your IT Depot X Stella. And now let's meet the starters for your Saints Fulitech. Point guard number 27, Ron Zagala. Shooting guard number 7, Rodel Super Mangi Mangia. At forward number 19, Ronald the Hawk Hawkins. Also at forward number 6, J.R. Rosales. And center number 32, Rob Sayawar. Saints Fulitech is led by Coach Dave Gomez, assisted by Ed Scamco, Jaiko Kapitunan, Aaron Javier. Team manager, Miss Maria Jeline Hernandez. Team owner, Miss Coach Dave Gomez and Mr. Edward Salvador. Your Saints Fulitech. Game officials charged in action. Dennis Escaros, June Biligaño III, Elgar Escaros, Danilo Pimentel, and Joey Melendres.
Let's go ahead and check the starters. It is Gustilo Gonzalgo at the guards. It's Buico at the center and Kapati and Santos at the forwards. Para naman sa Saints, they will start off with Manguiat and Zagala. Sentro nila si Sayawan. And completing the five is Hawkins and Rosales. Muli po magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat mga kasinag. Alvin Tañada together with Pancho, Coach Pancho Alfonso and Penelope Wilhelmina working the sidelines here. And let's start things up with Lakas 40 3.0. At dito, first ball possession here. Starting dito for the Saints. And ito yung isa sa mga bagong additions na sinasabi ni Coach Dave Gomez. Nawala nga si Coach Gilbert. You add two players into the mix in J.R. Rosales and Ron Zagala.
That's right. And binanggit din ni Coach Dave Gomez kanina sa pre-game interview. Same system, same program, you know, a different players. So exciting ang campaign nila rito. And yun nga. But first possession nila, medyo unsuccessful.
Yes, unang tiragan ni Ronald Hawkins and we were, kumbaga, knowing Ronald Hawkins, talagang yan yung shot niya. Gonzalgo, no good with the shot. Good to see Gonzalgo back here after spending time in Season 1 with IGP. Then, eto, Josh Gustilo, a new player. Kaka-turn 40 lang nito ni Josh Gustilo, yes. Former Adamson Falcon.
That's right. And kasama ni Josh Gustilo dito sa first five ng IT Depot Tela Athletics. Grabe, a combination of soaring Falcons and fighting Maroons.
Soaring Maroon Falcon, eh, no?
Grabe, no? So, talagang ganun ka-seryoso itong, syempre, debut ng ITD Tela dito sa Sinag Lakas 40 3.0.
Yes, at take note, wala pa dyan yung taga-Lasal na si Hiram Bagatching.
Oh.
Because again, our rules state dito sa Lakas 40 that we are only allowed 1 ex-pro per game. Ha? Hindi, pero pwede nilang i-line up yung ex-pro sa team nila, pero isa lang per game.
That's right, Coach Alvin.
And in the lineup of the IT Depot, si Abby Santos, who played 1 game lang for the Talk and Tech squad, that will be counted as in ex-pro.
That's right. And who would forget itong si Abby Santos, one of the, you know, fighting Maroon na talagang ang ganda ng UAAP career niya as a UP fighting Maroon, but ito dadali niya yung experience niya rito for the IT Depot Tele Athletics. And ito, wala pang score sa atin dito. Mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng first basket of a free throw. Depende sa resulta ng tira ni Joshua Gustilo.
Josh Gustilo, a teammate niya dyan sa Adamson. Ito nga si Roel Cabati, Gonzalgo, Leo Canuday. Add to that sila Ken Bono, Jojo Hate. No, pero kung gano'ng kalakas yung Adamson noon, eh, no?
That's right. Yung mga binanggit mong names, naglalaro pa rin ngayon, yes. Sobrang kondisyon, Lalo na si Jojo Hate. We hope na makita natin uli si Jojo Hate dito.
I think Jojo Hate will be playing for one of the teams. Dito, abangan na lang po ninyo kung anong kupunan yan. And that's a tap there and a steal here. Fast break, here we go. Fast break, Josh Gustillo all the way.
That's right. Coach Alvin, finally, first field goal for the Sinag Lakas 40 3.0 courtesy of Josh Gustillo. First free throw, first point, and then first field goal. So they're up by 3.
J.R. Rosales, who played for itong GDL in the last season. Oops. Naku, dyan kilala si Ronald Hawkins. Pero di niya alam, ganyan din maglaro. Ito sa Ira Buico sa ilalim. So, it's going to be a fun matchup inside. Let's take a look at this fast break once again. Lakas play of the quarter. Atin sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga Asia. And the free throw here for Robbie Sayawan. Robbie Sayawan in our last season was one of our top shot blockers in the tournament, averaging roughly around 1.3 blocks a tournament.
So let's see if that will impact again in this ball game. Swatting away those shots, you know, talagang mag-intimidator yan sa gitna. Ito, naka 1-3-1 zone dito.
Almost there. Huli!
Saints Politek, kakasabi mo lang, Coach Alvin.
Alam mo, kakasabi pa lang natin na one of the top shot blockers in the league. Nagpakita kagad. Sabi niya, ito ba? Ito, pakita ko sa inyo.
So meron na kagad, nag-register na kagad ng first shot block for the season.
Abby Santos. Stolen by Super Mangi. Mangiat moves in and bawi naman ni Gonzalgo on the
Yes.
other end for that shot block.
Exactly, Coach Alvin. Shot block after shot block. And grabe to si Super Mangi. Look at his speed and with his new hairdo. But Paul Gonzalgo denied as that was our.
Lakas block of the quarter at the 0107 Management Group Incorporated. And that's a miss there. Now, Coach Pancho, so nakikita natin for both squads, okay? Let's talk about first ng IT Depot. What do you think will be their, kumbaga, should they do here para makuha itong kanilang unang panalo in their first game in Sinag Liga Asia?
Yeah, the way I see it, the first 3 minutes of their play, mukhang mabibilis sila for IT Depot, and they will bank on the experience of Roel Capati, Gonzalgo, di ba? Yung mga returning players dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. As speaking of Paul Gonzalgo actually already had 3 stats. He got that steal, he got that shot block earlier, and then he made his jumper. So, grabe yung impact ng Paul Gonzalgo. Yun yung experience na dadalhin ng mga players like him dito sa IT Depot, Tela Athletics.
Yes, and now let's talk about ito namang Saints Polytech. We will get used to calling them that,
Yeah.
Okay, pero for Saints Polytech, we all know that this squad is a veteran-laden squad. Masasabi natin veteran kasi nawala yung isang mo manlalaro, Gilbert Malabanan, but how will adjustments or kamusta naman yung magiging adjustments nitong mga bago nila manlalaro like Zagala, and then Rosales and Vitug para sa kanilang kapunan?
I don't think magkakaroon ng onting adjustment to. I will give a little edge dito para sa kapunan ni Coach Dave Gomez because they are so familiar with the Sinag Liga Asia environment, Sinag Liga Asia officiating, and then yung experience ng players. So I'll give a slight edge dito because of their experience over the IT Tela Athletics.
All right, now let's turn it over to Penelope Wilhelmina with this report on Coach Dave Gomez.
Gilbert Malabanan is a big name to lose for Saints Polytech, but head coach Dave Gomez is eager to bounce back from their Season 1 what could have been and Season 2 heartbreak. That's why new names is added on the lineup of the Saints. JR Janisha, Robert Sayawan, Ron Zagala, and Alvin Vitug. Let's see if their newly added names on the roster can begin enough para maisakatuparan ang kanilang minimithing Season 3 comeback. That's all for now. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much. And yun nga yung kinulang nitong koponan ng Saints Polytech in that last season. Wala silang dominant big man, you know? And that is why they added ito si Sayawan into the mix. And then you add some personnel to help out itong nawala sa mga numero ni Coach Gilbert. Coach Gilbert averaging around 15-16 points. Idinagdag mo si Alvin Vitug. Nandiyan si Jero Rosales. Pwede lang hati-hatiin yun.
Exactly. Talagang na-feel yung void na iniwan ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan. And feeling, personally, Coach Alvin, mas dumagdag yung weapon ni Coach Dave Gomez because you acquired a rim protector like si Sayawan and then you have 2 wing players who can shoot from the outside and who can help Super Mangi when it comes to scoring load, di ba? Kasi nung previous seasons, Super Mangi and Coach Gilbert Malabanan, di ba, yung talagang nagkikiri ng load dito. But ngayon, ang dami na nilang katulong, Coach Alvin.
At tapos pag-uusapan natin yung puso ni Coach Gilbert. We all know, siya yung talagang leader nila on the floor. Nawala yun. Kinuha mo naman Ron Zagala na ganun din naman yung ginagawa for VPD Trading before. So, it's a big addition to have these players na balance out ni Coach Dave yung pagkawala ng isang tao with these 4 players added to their lineup.
Exactly. Talaga pinagpalanuhan nila Coach Dave Gomez to at yung syempre yung kanilang team owner. And talagang ganun sila ka-dead serious because nabanggit nga kanina, di ba, yung first 2 seasons nila, medyo they came up short. So ito, they will try their best to finally get their first crown dito sa Sinag Lakas 40.
Hawkins, the 3, that's money for Ronald Hawkins.
Wow, that's his second 3-pointer dito, Coach Alvin. Ito si Ronald Hawkins. Yun yung dapat tignan dito ng IT Depot Tela Athletics. Ronald Hawkins, one of the snipers to Coach Dave Gomez.
Coach Vic Epres will call a timeout dito. At lamang nga dito ng dalawa ang Saints Polytech.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sinag Liga Asia would like to thank Star Bomb Sport Care. And right now, let's take a look at this replay. Lakas tres of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Sun Sport, the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia. big shot from the outside. We've na-miss natin yan. Makikita yung mga ganyang shots ni Ronald Hawkins.
Alam mo naman natin to si Ronald Hawkins, a very colorful player dito para sa Saints full attack. And grabe, intensity sa defense, and napaka-pesky defender, and talagang kung kalaban mo siya, maaasar ka sa kanya, and yun yung style niya.
Yun nga eh. Ito ngayon, shot from 3. Masyadong malakas yun para dito kay Patrick Reonisto. And dito ang ruling natin dito, Coach Pancho, it's not the same do sa kalibre 45 na every 5 minutes. This is where lahat pwede na pumasok ulit. It's the coach's decision kung paano niya ipaiikutin yung 15-man lineup niya.
Exactly, Coach Alvin. Good point. Talagang balik tayo sa old rules natin dito. And yun nga, kanina Patrick Reonisto tumira pero wala. But first player off the bench dito para kay playing coach Big Epres.
And foul is called on J.R. Rosales. Sabi ni Sayawan, huli ko na eh. Kaya lang yung foul nandun sa may baba. That is why shots will be given here to Josh Gustilo.
Eto, Coach Alvin, new players coming in dito, fresh off the bench.
Yes, Gilbert Desegaño returning for their squad. Kasama si Taniegra. Tapos ito na si Alvin Vitug, yung pumalit ngayon. So,
grabe, no? Grabe yung pinalit.
Oo nga eh. I remember Alvin Vitug, one of those players scoring machine for NRMC in Season 2 and then lumipat sa Malolos Republic. Ganun pa rin yung dinadala niya.
Oo.
So, a lot will be expected from this guy.
Exactly, Coach Alvin. Ito, si Maui Pradas, nandito na rin. Maui Pradas is a former JRU heavy bomber. So, grabe yung mga experience dito ni Coach Dave Gomez, mga players niya. And tumira agad si Alvin Vitug.
Wala yan, si Ganyo. So nawala ning Gilbert Duo dito sa koponan nila. So mag-isa nila si Gilbert Siganyo dito.
And Gilbert Siganyo, yun nga eh. The big three ni Coach Dave Gomez before. Ito, Abby Santos with the rebound.
Abby Santos, we all know his worth, no? Yung hustle niya. Even though kanina nagbibiroan kami before the start of the game, sabi niya, malaki na nga ako eh. Malaki na yung chan. Pero, again, for these players such as Abby Santos, other players dito for ITD po, masasanay din sila eh. Kasi pinag-uusapan natin sa Season 1, once you get the hang of it dito sa Lakas 40, parang mag-iiba yung takbo ng laro mo.
Oo, actually, yung start nga ng ball game natin, first 3 minutes, scoreless pa, di ba? So talagang naninibago pa rin sila dito. But along the way, tama ka doon. Along the way, pag na-feel na nila, syempre mga players to, mga to. Ayan, makikita na natin yung flow ng laro nila.
And naalala mo, Coach Pancho, in Season 1, ganito rin tayo eh, no? We started off slow, the players are like taking papawis lang to.
Yes.
Pero habang tumatagal, teka, bakbakan din pala dito.
Yung competition, no? Nag-heat up, di ba? And Abby Santos scoring his first 2 points dito for Sinag Liga Asia. Ay, syempre, familiar yung jumper na yun, Abby Santos, during his prime years sa UP. One of the big men who has a sweet shooting touch from the outside.
Teammate of Jaire Ibanez, who used to play din dito sa atin for that 5-2-1 squad, di
Yes,
ba?
pinahirapan kami doon.
And you can remember, ito naman Jay Valdez coming into the lineup. Jay Valdez played in that 45, kakatapos na natin kalibre 45 para sa Sea Lions.
Exactly, yan. Si Jay Valdez, one of the former, ano naman yan, Arriba Letran yan.
Oo, Letran.
Si Jay Valdez.
Teammate nila, Boom Labrusca, yan, yun. Sa lineup na and the drive here, what a drive. Almost there for Roel Capati.
He's donning a new color sa kanyang hairdo.
Sabi nga niya kung di daw asul, berde lang daw ang kanyang kulay. And a shot there for Jay Valdez and ITD Potela Athletics. They are now on top here by 3. Let's take a look at this one. Lakas shot of the quarter at the Senyo na CDO Food Spear. Food that brings you home. We have a timeout on the floor. 13-10 our score.
Bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Taking a look at Jay Valdez on your screens. Ito yung isa sa mga manlalaro na isipin mo ba yung pangangatawan nito? Nasa 45 years old above na.
Yes, condition yan si Jay Valdez. Active yan sa mga 40-up leagues. And even mga below 40, nilalaroan yan. Kaya tingnan mo naman ang disiplina ni Jay Valdez. Arriba, Letran.
Oo, kaya nga isa siya sa mga manlalaro na talagang kahit saan mo ilagay na liga. But taking a look at some of the numbers here, Coach Pancho. 7 points already for Josh Gustillo in his debut here with Sinag Liga Asia.
That's right. So as a starter, Josh Castillo leading his team, and I like the energy ng second unit ni playing coach Vic Epres. Yeah, sila Jay Valdez. Yeah, siya yung nagpatuloy ng start dito, and ang ganda si Roel Capati. Ito na yung mga fire start scores talaga dito ni Coach Vic Epres. So let's see if Saints Pulitec will try to sustain and control the energy na pinapakita ng IT Depot Tela Athletics.
Now the question dito, Coach, is si Pradas na lang ngayon ang big man sa loob. Hindi katulad kanina that they have a much bigger lineup with Sayawan on the floor. How big will that be for this Saints Pulitec as Josh Gustillo now with 10 points here in this game? But again, Coach, pinag-uusapan natin yung difference nito. Lumiit na naman itong lineup ng Saints Pulitec.
Exactly, Coach Alvin. And Maui Pradas not used to playing a center kasi hindi talaga yung natural position niya. But yun nga, napipilitan dahil wala si Sayawan dito. And yun nga, yung 1-3-1 zone ng Saints Pulitec na check ng IT Depot Athletes until that big shot by Alvin Vita. Signature three-pointer, Coach Alvin.
Ilista mo na yan para kay Alvin Vitug. Lamang na ng isa. Nalamang ng isa itong IT Depot Tela Athletics.
Karamihan sa mga Alvin shooter, no? Tingin mo, Coach.
Hindi ko alam. No, pero again talking about Alvin, we would like to greet a happy birthday to the one and only Captain Lionheart, four-time MVP Alvin Patrimonio. Happy birthday po sa inyo. At saka, batiin na rin natin ang happy birthday yung kasama natin dyan sa baba, ang napakasipag at napakagaling na si Vincent. Belated happy birthday kay Vincent.
Siyempre, at meron pa isa.
Sino ba?
Birds Isunga.
Uy!
Of course, kaibigan
isa sa
natin
mga
yan.
mga referee dito. Happy birthday ngayong araw na to.
Yes, happy birthday Cap Alvin Patrimonio. And the Lionheart, and si Vincent, and si our referee, Birds Isunga.
Magpapakain daw si Vincent mamaya. Balita ako. Magpapakain ba, Direct Mike? Ito, Maui Pradas. Ito si Maui Pradas, I think, used to be teammates ba? Tama nila, Ariel Capos?
Oo.
Tama, di ba? Ariel Capos, Nani Ipundulan. Yung ba yung
pero ano siya, mas younger.
Yes, oo. Thinking about that lineup before JR, yun yung Capos, and then you do have Capos and Ipundulan at the corners with shooters.
Oo, pala. Speaking of Ariel Capos, dyan ako kumukuha ng Choco Bam Bam. Ariel, brother, kamusta? Kailan ka lalaro dito?
Yan ang inaantay ng lahat ang paglalaro dito ni Ariel Capos.
Look at the ball pressure ng Saints Pulitec,
Yan yung nadadala ng defense si Ganyo talaga, no?
Exactly. Kaya nakakarami ng fast break points na Super Monkey. It's because of their signature defense, ha?
There's a foul called on ito si Nance Halandon. And Maui Pradas plays the 4, di ba? Pero dito mapipilitan siya maglaro ng 5.
Yes.
Kanya again, si Sayawan yung tanging big man nila. Before, nandiyan si Coach Gilbert, di ba? That can play the 5.
Talagang multiple possessions. Even 5 possessions na nilalaro ni Coach Gilbert.
Actually 6, pati yung isang coach. Pati siya yung coach na sa sidelines. But again, ang dami naman kasi talaga ipinalit. So, let's see how things will be run here. Saints Pulitec here. That's a third team foul on them.
Ang ganda ng press break doon ng IT Depot Tela Athletics.
Ang maganda dito sa team na to ng IT Depot Tela Athletics, may sarili silang home court na pinagpa-eensayuhan, no? And three-pointer there. Jewel Palomique. Isa rin yan sa mga shooters before in college. And kilalang-kilala rin niya sa pagiging shooter.
Yes, mga maraming shooters dito ang IT Depot Tele-Athletics. Nagkakagrihan si Jay Valdez at si Mali Pradas.
Kanina pa yun, eh, no?
Oo.
And patapos na yung oras, teka lang. At reviewin muna natin yung mga opisyalis yan dito. And good thing dito, nagyakapan muna yung dalawa.
Yes, ganyan naman yung mga yan dito sa mga 40 up and even sa 45 diba? Talagang physical, rugged, pero kakaibigan yung mga yan.
Mukhang sure yung mga referees natin sa tawag na yon. And the good thing is the two players, kumbaga, nagkausap kagad. Okay na tayo? Okay na? Tanggap ni Jay Valdez na din so far. So let's take a look at this. Ito muna yung unang bangga. Yan.
Jacking for position.
Okay. Pero mukhang sure. Mukhang sure yung mga referees natin doon. But again, no need to review for that. They're sure of that. And this will mean possession once again for Saints Polytech. We are tied at 19, 6.9 seconds remaining. Let's see.
Second deadlock na natin to, Coach Alvin. Ganito ka close itong first quarter natin dito so far.
Pradas the jumper. That's counted. That's counted. That's good. That's good. And what a way to close things out dito sa ating first quarter of action. Maui Pradas hitting that three-pointer. And let's take a look at this replay. Paghawak niya dito, Almeida goes up, elevator play, pag-angat, walang mapasahan, titira ko na lang. That is good as Saints Polytech takes a 3-point lead at the end of quarter number 1. 22-19 our score.
Depot Tele-Athletics, they may be new to the league, but they are firm to be in the competition with 9 other teams. Dagdag pa nga ni playing head coach Vic Epres, what they are going to show today will be a disaster to defend. As cliche as it is, it's like aging is like a fine wine. It gets better as it ages. That's all for now. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much, Penelope Walalmina, with that report. And aging like fine wine. Ano mga pinag-uusapan natin talaga pag sa ganito mga klase laro.
Right, and I like that. Wine. Sa mga paborito ko yan, Coach Alvin.
Pero bago muna ang lahat, bago tayo magsimula na to, syempre gusto nating batiin muna lahat ng mga kababayan natin all throughout the Luzon area. We hope that everyone is safe right now in this times, lalo na sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Catanduanes, sa Bicol. We would like to just wish you fair that we will be okay dyan. As we take a look at the first quarter field goals dyan.
Oo, yung ITD po, mas maganda yung field goal percentage nila, ha. So, more conversion and less attempts, And yun yung kailangan dito i-monitor natin dito, lalo sa start ng second quarter. And playing coach Vic Epres nandito na sa floor for IT Depot, number 11.
Yes, and then ang magko-coach na ngayon, itong si Boss Long Kuan.
Yes.
Siya na ang magko-coach dito.
The owner of Tele-Athletics and IT Depot as well.
Let's see how things will run here in this first 10 points already for Josh Gustillo. And Pradas and Hawkins with a combined 13 points kagad para sa kanilang kupunan.
Itong Saints Polytech, hindi sila nagbabago ng depensa. Talagang stick sila sa 1-3-1 zone. But itong IT Depot Tele-Athletics, talagang nasosolve na nila. Talagang alam nila kung saan na-attackin yung 1-3-1 zone.
Nansa Landon with a jumper there. Almeida. Ito si Ganyo. Binigay dito kay Alvin Bitog. And Bitog yung handan.
Yan yung experience ng isang Alvin Bitog. Kita mo naman, walang kakaba-kaba. Alam niya yung gagawin niya. Pagkatanggap ng bola sa poste, diretso atake, Coach Alvin.
And that is how big Alvin Vitog was in Season 2. And now here in Season 3, ganun pa rin.
Oo. Humihingi si Jay Valdez doon ng bola kasi may mismatch against Gilbert Sagaño kaso hindi nakita ni playing coach Vic Epres. But
They'll take that 3.
Yes, of course.
For ITD po.
Eto na, bumabalik na ulit, Coach Alvin.
And babalik na sa loob. Or papasok din sa loob. John Macalma will check in.
Another big man.
Finally, ito yung hinaantay natin na big man talaga dapat. Nakapalitan ni Sayawan. So, Macalma will now check in.
Yeah, so nagtatry si Coach Dave Gomez ng different combinations sa kanyang front court dito.
But this guy has been well playing here for the squad of the Saints. Ikot ang bola, Valdez, the jumper. No good, rebounded by Vitog. Alvin Vitog running it. Pass here, nice extra pass. Maui Prada scores.
Wow, very unselfish play that time. And what a finish dito for Saints Polytech, courtesy of that fast break points by Maui Pradas.
Alam mo to si Maui Pradas, mukhang gusto niya talaga yung blue and gold na kulay. No? Bagay na bagay kasi. Ito ngayon, the attack. And there's a foul. As free throws will be given here para dito kay Nance Halandon. Let's take a look at this replay. Once again, that extra pass. Lakas assist of the quarter at Senyo na SM South Mall. We've got it all for you.
That's Michael Tanyegra with a great dime right there.
Hindi lang basta dime, hinuhulog talaga. Halandon makes the first. At ang kagandahan dito for the squad of ITD Tela Athletics, this is not the first time that this team is formed. Marami na rin nilaro ang mga liga to. So, how big is that of a transition na laro tayo sa ibang liga? Malaking bagay ba yun na magkakakilala na talaga itong kupunan na to?
Yes, and knowing itong si Boss Longkuwa na talagang sumusuporta rin yan sa mga collegiate players, collegiate teams, and then sumasali itong ITD po sa open leagues.
Dami nga naman nila dito na kumaga all-out support on Tela Athletics for others. Kumaga other leagues din no? Not just here in Sinag Ligasya but other leagues as well.
And also Coach Alvin, gusto ko lang i-acknowledge yung presence ng ating COO, Coach Leo Isaac, dito sa tabi ko. Of course.
Unti-unti nang dumarating yung ating mga big bosses. Nakita natin niya kanina si Chairman Rocky Chan. Very much early here. You can see their boss Eric Damian is in the house. And our Deputy Commissioner, John Ferriol, is here. Alvin Vitog scoring there. Dumating na ang ating COO. Later on, baka dumating na rin. Kasi nandito na si Ma'am Muriel. Mamaya dito na rin si
Mr. Sinag himself.
Mr. Sinag himself, Boss Ray Alao. And our commissioner hopefully will be here also, Coach Rodney Santos.
Yes. And ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, Coach Alvin, yung pinapoint out mo. Nakukuha na nila yung rhythm nila. Tingnan mo, exchanges of baskets yung nakikita natin ngayon. So, nagkukuha na nila yung groove nila dito sa Sinag Liga Asia after nung close first quarter.
Vitog, the pass. Tanyegra, the 3. Money ball is good.
Wow. Kita mo naman yung palitan talaga. Sagutan ng baskets dito for Saints Polytech and ITD Tela Athletics.
That is how good the squad is. Maganda yung buhos nung puntusan. Like, parang diesel engine, no?
Tingnan natin kung sasagot. Sumagot
na! Halandon naman, bumawi ng 3.
Patuloy. We're having a shootout here inside the SM South Mall Events Hall dito sa Las Piñas, Coach Alvin.
Alam mo yung inisip natin dito, umuulan pa lang sa labas, pero dito umuulan na rin ng 3.
And sabi ni Alvin Vitog, hindi lang sa 3, pati sa inside the paint. Kaya ko rin magpaulan ng puntos.
Inside, outside, that is what Alvin Vitog can bring to the table. Alvin Vitog already with 7 points here.
Another 3-point bomb.
No good para dito. Make that 9 points na pala si Alvin Vitog dito.
Grabe, no? All in the second quarter, Coach Alvin.
Yes. Oh, nice pass. Maui Pradas, 11 points.
Yes. Yan talaga. Naaalala ko tuloy nung nanonood ako ng NCAA before. Nung lumalaro to si Maui Pradas, ganyan na ganyan yung laro ni Maui Pradas.
So, nung napapanood mo siya, Coach, ako naman nung panahon na yun, parang elementary.
Uy! Ikaw talaga, Coach Alvin. Palabiro ka talaga, Kuya Alvin.
Shot from Halandon, no good. Alam mo kasi, mga edad, ako elementary nun. Si Direk Nomar nasa kinder nun.
Hindi ba nursery?
We have a timeout on the floor right now. IT Depot Tela Athletics needs to get their scoring going here. Ganda na naman pa sa Tumawi Pradas. Lakas na the quarter natin sa inyo ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you. Timeout on the floor.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
As we are back here inside the SM Events Hall, third level of the SM South Mall here in Las Piñas City. Nasabi na nga natin kanina, Boss Eric Damian on your left, Tisoy John Ferriols there at your right, our Deputy Commissioner, and our COO, Mr. Leo Isaac. Coach Leo in the house.
Yes, and natutuwa si Coach Leo Isaac. Binanggit niya sa akin kanina, talagang mas malakas daw yung mga players ngayon. And nabanggit din yan, nakikita niya yung mga dati niyang players na lumalaro dito.
Hindi, yung pag-uusapan natin kasi, unang laro pa lang yan, ganyan na kagad yung nakikita ni Coach Leo. So, what more later on sa mga laro natin today and on Tuesday and on Thursday.
That's right.
Tuloy-tuloy nga po yung mga laro natin.
And kanina ang ganda ng pagkakabasket dito ni J.R. Rosales. J.R. Rosales, one of the slashers, kung tawagin, parang si Coach Roddy Santos, ganyan laruan.
Yes.
That's the kind of thing that he can bring to the table dito para kay Coach Dave Gomez, Saints Fulitech.
Here is, ito si inside, makalma nun. Vitug inside, and there is a foul downstairs on Josh Gustilo.
Wow, look at that quick spin dito ni Alvin Vitug. Pagkatanggap dun sa low post, talagang mismatch sa kanya. Kaya sa kanya binibigay.
14 seconds on the shot clock here. The shot sa corner, wala. Tapik. Napunta na naman kay Tanyegra.
Good heads up play dito para kay J.R. Rosales.
Makalma. Nahihirapan. And that's a travel. That is what Abby Santos does para dito sa kupunan nila. I remember this player, si Abby Santos, playing the PBL.
Enforcer yan, Coach Alvin?
Oo, enforcer yan. Naalala ko, naglaro sa Granny Goose din yan, di ba? And then was drafted 10th overall by Wellcoat in their inaugural season in the PBA. Pero hindi nga lang siya na-pick up ng Wellcoat nun.
Wow!
Nice pass and shot there for J.R. And J.R. Rosales was known for that in his time with VPD in the first season and the second season para sa GDL. Yung slashing attack niya, tingnan natin. Tanyegra to Rosales, lakas play of the quarter natin sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga Asia.
Again, another great pass by Mike Tanyegra. Talagang very unselfish play. Pwede na itira ni Mike Tanyegra ron, but he opted to give it to the slashing. Itong si J.R. Rosales. Talagang, yun talaga yung role niya. Finisher itong si J.R. Rosales.
And bonus free throw is good for J.R. Rosales. Ito si J.R. Rosales, a very proud father also of his son na naglalaro naman para sa University of Perpetual Health Junior Altas.
Yes, and I remember one time parang na-cover ko yung team niya na player niya, siya yung coach ng player niya, anak niya.
Yes, kaya kumbaga like father, like son yung gawa nila dito because over in Perpetual Junior Altas, maganda yung nilalaro din ng kanyang anak doon. It's known as a slasher, an outside shooter. Para talagang like father, like son.
Yes, eto na. The white shirts are running.
Yun!
Medyo malakas yung pasa doon. Si Josh Castillo.
So after a nice start for IT Depot, medyo bumagal na yung laro nila dito.
Yes. Medyo missing link dito for IT Depot, Tela Athletics Coach Alvin. Non-factor pa so far itong si Roel Capati.
Oo, Roel Capati.
Hindi pa nagpaparamdam dito. Although may mga chances siya, yun nga lang, gaya malakas yung paasa sa kanya. So that's why they're down by double-digit margin na, Coach.
Shot from 2, that's good! Lahat ng ipasok dito.
Wow!
Nakaka-score Edward Salvador scoring.
That's the team owner, Consular. Edward
Yes,
Salvador,
tama.
Yes, one of the co-owners of Saints Pulitec. Kakapasok lang, nagparamdam agad outside shots.
1 out of 1 agad sa field goals.
Iba talaga si Consular Ed Salvador. And what a great pass, Coach Alvin.
And yun yung ginagawa ng Abby Santos in his days with UP. Remember that lineup of Abby Santos, dagdag pa dyan Nestor David.
Yan.
Tingnan natin yung lakas mo of the corner natin sa inyo ng Cable Link Holdings Corporation. And timeout muna ang Saints Pulitec dito. 42-30 lamang sila ng 12.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Let's take a look at the tournament format once again. And it's practically the same with Season 2. Pero ang pinagkaiba, meron tayong play-in.
Yes, that's right. Siyempre, may single round elimination, may quarterfinals, may semis, may finals. Pero yun nga yung play-in, ha. Ito yung nagpaganda dyan. So, additional games, additional excitement. Tingnan mo naman, speaking of excitement, tingnan mo yung mga supporters, naglakas 40 natin. It's a family day here, dito inside the SM Events Hall. Las Piñas, diba? Siyempre, family day, andito lahat. Bata, matanda, ba?
Oo,
all genders dito.
All generations,
yes.
di ba? Gen Z to ano ba mga generation yan? Gen Z.
Yeah. So, you know, what a way to for you to spend your weekend dito. Sunday sa SM South Mall.
Wow.
And, grabe pa rin ang ulan dito sa loob ng SM Events Hall, Coach Alvin.
Lahat ng iba to pumapasok for this Saints Pulitec. Buiko, the 3, money ball for Ira Buiko. Sabi mo nga, nung umuulan, ayun na, tuloy-tuloy.
Lahat ng pinapasok ni Coach Dave Gomez talaga nagko-contribute.
Super Mangy, no good. Rebound, fast break. Abby Santos goes all the way for the score.
Easy lane para kay Abby Santos. One of the big men na tumatakbo, especially nung prime niya.
Abby Santos scoring there. So, baba na naman sa 10 lamang. Mangi, binigay dito.
Look at how the Saints Pulitec, Coach Alvin, they swing the ball around. Kaya medyo nalilito yung depensa ng ITD po. But yung dati at successful sila. Ito, tumatakbo na sila.
Kapati to Gonzalgo, the jumper, no good. Rebound, tapped. Bustillo, the 3 ball, no. Rebounded by Ronel Mangiat. 45 seconds remaining on the clock. Zabalia. The pass to Rosales. Rosales, no good. Rebound picked up by Abby Santos.
Grabe, kala ko papasok pa yun. Ang dami nilang binigay dito na 3-pointers sa second quarter.
Shot by Kapati, wala.
Still nothing from him.
And Zabalia runs it down. Pass ni Rosales, pero teka lang, may foul.
Kita mo yung amo yung tatlo, di ba? Talagang grabe yung chemistry kagad na nabuo nila dito, especially sa transition.
Oh, yung Zabalia kasi at saka yung Manggiat, alam na natin yan. Pero dinagdag mo pa yung Rosales. It's the same, but again, shot clock at 18 seconds. That's only their 4th team foul. Talking about ITD po, so the next foul will mean free throws. Makalma. Pass it up to Zabalia. Binigay sa kanan. 3-pointer, no good.
Oh, good challenge by Abby Santos that time.
11 seconds remaining on the clock. Pasa na huli ni Manggiat. Manggiat, 5 seconds. This is his shot. No.
Wala pa rin.
Manggiat,
gets his own rebound.
Oh!
What a way for you to score your first points dito in this ball game, getting an end one.
Manggiat, that's his 4th point in the ball game.
Oh, second field goal na pala.
At nakabingwit pa ng foul yan. So, possible 3-point play in the offense.
Oh, may bonus free throw pa sa dito. What a way to end itong first half natin. Look at this once again.
Lakas grab of the quarter din sa inyo ng Pulitec. Innovative advertising.
Grabe ito si Super Mangy, ha? Tapos ganyan pa yung batang-bata. Lalong nagmukhang bata si Super Mangy.
At mukhang titingin nila dito, may oras pa raw na natitira. Yun ang sinasabi nila. Ito, countdown tayo dito. 1.8 seconds daw, sabi. Ayan, basahin natin. Official review natin. Shot ni Mangi Mintes. This is 2 seconds.
Mukhang meron pa, Coach Alvin.
Meron pa nga.
Yes.
May natitira pang oras. So, chance for IT Depot to still possibly heave a shot from the other side.
Oo. Depending, pero titira pa ng free throw dito si, si Super Mangi.
So, counted yung basket. May isa pa.
Foul on number 21, Roel Capati. That's his first official
The
time.
foul is called on Roel Capati. 1 second remaining on the clock.
You know, tingnan mo naman yung hairdo ni Super Mangi with a super haircut.
Oo. Batang-bata nga rin pag-uusapan natin.
Grabe itong Saints Fully Tech dito. A different dimension yung binibigay ng mga new players nila dito. Parang so far, parang they hardly miss the services of Coach Gilbert Palabanan.
Free throw here. Bonus is good for Super Mangi. 5 points now for Ronel Manguiat. Throws up a prayer. Almost for Josh Castillo. Pero dyan po magtatapos ang ating first half of action. Ito ang Saints Fully Tech on a roll here. Let's take a look at some of the highlights here. Alvin Vitug getting baskets here. 9 points in that second quarter alone. Pero to si Halandoon, scoring 9 points also for their squad here in the second half. Abby Santos getting baskets for their squad for IT Depot, but Ronel Manguiat and the rest of Fully Tech Saints are still on top here at the half, 48-35. We will be right back.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Hopefully you can also make your best comments, and of course I think the officials can also do an input or answer with some mga questions. Okay, one thing major is na gusto sana i-suggest is that we will put a cap dun sa mga allowances na binibigay. Ito yung mga suggestions was up to us na gusto namin will be, decided by majority. But of course, yung suggestion. Doon kasi sa nangyayari data na bibigyan yung mga players on their own in terms of their allowances. We call them allowances with not salaries kasi hindi naman po naka-payroll sa inyo na tulong. Wala nyo, i-payroll tayo. So, one of the suggestions is we put a cap on the allowances para magkasundo yung mga team owners. Once we start ng liga, and hindi na rin favorite yung player. Ayaw yung team owner. Wala sa mga laro. Kaya mo daw, may sit out siya. Diba? Hindi siya makakalaro ng country, nakakantry ng sport ng season.
Para makinig anong gagawin, di ba? Sabi nga ni back-to-back hits now for him. Kailangan niya na marami pang ganyan. Hindi ko may kita dahil sa ingay dito. Hindi saan siya na magaling dito. One more or no more. Kapit na mga kasinag. Pampanga Intermunicipalities Series Basketball Tournament Delta Cup.
Pakabiling kong masalesike kayo na i-promote tayo ng sportsmanship na, okay? Itamungan, tandanan nyo, kapampangan tangan.
This is your 2024 Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
Walang magpapasira ng laro. Tayo magpapasira ng laro niya.
Maraming salamat for taking time out to be part of the first ever SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Mabilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Going back inside the Events Hall of SM South Mall here in Las Piñas City for our Day 1 of Sinagliga Asia Lakas 40 3.0. And at this juncture, we will be having our halftime interview. And I am joined here by the team owner of IT Depot Tela Athletics, Mr. Long Kwan. And here on my right side is the team owner of Fully Tech Saints, Mr. Edward Salvador. Unahin na natin dito si Mr. Long Kwan. Sir, first of all, sabi kanina ni Head Coach Vic Epres, no, that you are going to be in the competition of this league kahit bago kayo, no. I am just curious, how do you gather these players and build it as a team?
We started as a Monday group, and then slowly the veterans is nadadagdag each Monday. So now, after 2 years, we're here. I think we have around 3 or 4 veterans, and most are ex-UAAP and NCAA players. So I think that's why Vic Epres is saying that we're gonna compete on this season, even being a rookie team.
During the first quarter of this ball game, you have been so dominant on your defense. Now, what was the problem nitong second quarter?
Siguro yung kailangan namin mag-adjustment sa mga second unit namin. So medyo nakabalik kami when the first unit is there. So I think Vic already mentioned about the proper adjustment for second half.
Now we'll give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, at sa lahat ng sumusuporta for your team.
Big shout out to, of course, IT Depot family, Tela Athletics family, our Eagle Group family, Big Four, to Side Out family, and to our major sponsor, Promatrix, BS Law, EC Champions, and Prime Elite Fitness. Thank you very much po.
Once again, thank you so much, and welcome to Sinagliga Asia Lakas 40. And here on my right side is the team owner, one of the team owner of Fully Tech Saints, Mr. Edward Salvador. Sir Edward, first of all, a very good run on the first half, no? But from what I heard, what is happening between, there's a big partnership between the Fully Tech and Sinagliga Asia.
First of all, we had a meeting with the SLA management. And we are here to support, of course, the program. And we really believe with the good quality and the system that SLA is doing. That's why we give our full support and our cooperation with the SLA. So this is together with the Fully Tech company, of course, for the digital advertising and for the outdoor advertising. So we fully support the SLA management.
Thank you so much. Now, I'll give you also the chance to greet all your family, friends, and to all of the people who support the Saints Fully Tech.
Thank you so much. Unang-una sa partner ko, si Coach Dave Gomez. Very good partner and coach for the team. And syempre, yung team manager namin, very supportive din, si Jeline Hernandez. At syempre, yung bumubuo ng buong Team Saints, no? Tsaka syempre sa very supportive wife ko, si Ala Salvador. Hello.
Thank you so much. Once again, that's Mr. Edward Salvador, the team owner of Saints Fully Tech, and Mr. Long Kwan, the team owner of IT Depot Tela Athletics. Now back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Penelope, together with Boss Long Kwan of IT Depot Tela Athletics and Boss Edward Salvador of Saints Fully Tech. Again, 48-35 score lamang nga po itong Saints Fully Tech dito. Alvin Tanyada together with Coach Pancho Alfonso. And Coach, in that first half of action, it's a different run. It's a game of different runs. Maganda yung simula nitong IT Depot. Biglang aalagwa itong Fully Tech. And then to start the quarter, gagana na naman yung laro ni IT Depot. Pero pagtatapos, tinatapos na maganda nitong Politec Saints.
Yes, tama ka doon, Coach Alvin. First quarter, very, very close sila. Pagdating na second quarter, doon umalagwa itong Saints Politec. Yung second unit, even yung third unit, even si Counselor Edward Salvador, nakaputos lahat ng pinasok ni Coach Dave Gomez, nag-contribute. While ito ng mga ITD po, medyo nagkulang sila sa energy ng second quarter, nabigla sila sa depensa, and yung outside shooting, 6 3-pointers ang in-score ng Saints Politec sa second quarter alone. So we've been treated for a shootout dito sa first game ng Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 3.0.
And let us now take a look at our halftime stats dito para makita natin nasaan ba yung parehas na koponan in the field goal percentage. Coach Pancho, halos pantay lang. Rebounds nakita natin. But the assists more on the Saints Politec dahil sa mga magagandang assist nila. Bench points, napakalaki niyan for Saints Politec. Idagdag pa yung wala dyan. Itong points in the paint, 16-6.
Yes, yun nga Coach Alvin. Yun yung talagang advantage nila yung bench press. Kasi nga, di ba, yung mga new players dito, naging balance yung lineup ng Saints Politec. And they were led by Maui Pradas, who's coming off the bench. Siya yung leading scorer.
Let's take a look at the numbers of Maui Pradas here in this ball game. You can see there, 11 points, 1 rebound. And he started off strong in that first quarter. Tuloy-tuloy na pagtatapos sa second quarter. And him partnering up with Alvin Vitug, another new player for their squad. 20 points sa kanila. Maganda yung naging performance nila nitong mga manlalaro naman. Again, Maui Pradas doing a job. Well done here. You can see here the leading scorers. Josh Castillo leading the way with 10 points. Nani Halandoon with 9 points. Abby Santos with 6. Ira Bohico with 3. Doon naman sa kanila again, Pradas with 11. Vitug with 9. Hawkins and Manggiat with 6 and 5 respectively.
Yes, so dito sa second half, malalaman natin dito yung adjustment na gagawin ni playing coach Vic Empress for ITD po, Tela Athletics para makabalik sila sa larong to.
At ang nakagulat dito Ron Zagala, hindi pa nga gumagawa ng mga numbers na usual niya. Only 3 points for Ron Zagala. Pero yung 4 assists niya, yun yung maganda naman sa kanila because of the way he orchestrates it. Yung nawala dun sa mga numero nung Gilbert Malabanan, around 6 assists a ball game. Nahati ngayon si Ron Zagala.
Yun ang maganda sa Saints Politec, Coach Alvin. Pinaghahatian nila yung mga numero na nawala, na usually binibigay ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan. So far, they are doing good. Talagang well-distributed yung numbers, point production, rebounds, assists. May block shot, second block shot.
Sayawan mo another block. That's block number 2 for him. Kanina, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, averaging 1.3 in the last tournament. Ngayon, nakakadalawa na. Boundary na daw siya.
Above average na. And as we take a look at playing coach Big Empress barking out some instructions to his team kasi he knows na kailangan nila magkaroon ng run dito sa third quarter.
Manggiat na 3, no good. Rebound by Sayawan. Balik mo na dito.
Grabe, using his length dito para kay Sayawan. Na-box out na siya ni Ira Buico doon.
Move inside ni Hawkins. Pupunta kay Sayawan. Balik dito. 3-pointer. Good passing. Leading the shot. No good. Gonzalo with the rebound. And look at that.
Wow, diving for the loose ball.
Labanan inside. And nakita mo yung labanan talaga. No? Minsan, pagka ibang kupunan dyan, pagkakuha ng rebound, takbo na tayo sa kabila. Hindi. Sila sumundot. Wala naman tawag, ituloy mo, di ba? Yun yung ginagawa nila dito.
Oo, talagang sinesecure talaga nila yung possession dito. And yun nga, binanggit mo si Ron Zagala who's been busy facilitating for his teammates. Eto, this is his chance to come aboard dito sa scoring para sa kanyang teams.
And para pag-usapan natin dito, Coach Pancho, kung magagawa ni Ron Zagala yung ginawa ng Eugene Tan doon sa Calibre 45 for Tito Rex's Firewire, isipin mo kung kaya niyang gawin yan dito sa Saints Politec. This squad is going to be a dangerous squad.
It is. Tama ka doon, Coach Alvin. Because, yun nga, if magagawa niya ginagawa ni Coach Eugene Tan, actually pwede kasi ang daming materials si Coach Dave Gomez, ang dami niyang finisher dito, and all he needs to do is to dish out some great passes. Makaka-double figures ng assist per game. Posible.
Yes, kaya niya. Yung makakuha man siya ng 8 assists to 9 assists na hindi na double figures, pero malaking bagay na yung 9 assists na yan, leading to scorers such as Alvin Vito, Rosales, Manggiat, Hawkins. Sa dami ng sinabi kong pangalan rin, ang dami niyang talagang pwedeng bigyan ng bola.
Yes, at lahat yung mga binanggit mo, mga tumatakbo yun. Kaya nga in this ball game so far, they are leading the game when it comes to fast break points. Kasi ang daming finisher dito sa lineup ng Saints Politec.
48-35 still. No baskets here to start.
Parang nung simula lang ng first quarter.
Oo, malamig pa yung simula dito. Malamig na rin na simoy ng hangin sa labas. Coach Pancho, malapit-lapit na ang Pasko.
Yun. Ooh, dangerous pass.
Shot for Sayawan is good.
Wow, look at that. Great penetration by Sagala, attracting the defense. Libre-libre si Sayawan sa middle.
And we would like to also give a huge shout out. Wala man siya dito. Direct Billy De Leon, syempre. Relax ka lang, Direct Billy. We wish you well. At namimiss ka na daw ng mga tao dito sa SM South Mall. Shot ni Alado, no good.
Family day daw, kaya wala si Baby.
Family day. Hawkins with the steal. The pass here to Super Mangi.
Yes.
Extra pass to Rosales. Kita mo yung magandang pasahan.
Diba? Yan yung sinasabi natin, Coach Alvin.
Halan doon. Will be called for that foul.
Talagang every time na makakuha sila ng rebound, may mga leak-out players. And speaking of leak-out players, Super Mangi. Marami yan tumatakbo na agad yan.
Ronel Mangiat will be shooting the free throws. Siyempre, Ronel Mangiat, Super Mangi. Kung doon sa kalibre 45, tawag natin si Super Mario. Ito naman si Super Mangi. Mukhang nakakuha siya ngayon ng nakakain ka ng mushroom ngayon. O pulaklak.
Ito, ang nakikita ko dito for kay Super Mangi dito, lalo-lalo sa current lineup ng Saints Politek, hindi na siya ganun mapapagod, hindi na siya ganun masusunog sa endgame kasi ang dami niya ng reinforcement dito, ang dami niya ng katulong. Kasi yun nangyayari sa kanila ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan, si Gilbert Asiganya, playing major minutes.
Yes.
Kaya pagdating sa endgame, di ba, dun sila medyo natatalo. Wala na silang lakas, wala na silang hangin. Dito, mape-preserve ngayon yung energy niya.
Ika nga naubusan na ng hangin, bala, di ba? Mahirap din yun.
Ay, maganda labanan sa ilalim. Sayawan and Ira Buico, Coach Alvin.
Parehas na malakas kumapit sa box out, di ba? And those are the things that you always tell our players, di ba? Yung mga big man, box out mo na maigi.
Box out talaga. Importante yan. Kailangan ma-out position mo yung bantay mo doon.
Okay lang na kumapit ng konti, pero yung kapit na hindi naman, may walang foul, di ba? Gonzalgo, the drive, no good. Rebound.
Ang dami ng mga close range misses itong IT Depot Tele-Athletics, ha? Medyo parang disarray offense nila. Minamadali nila, Coach Alvin.
And substitution here. Taniegra will check back in. Taniegra did a good job in that first half of action. 5 points and 2 assists in that quarter.
What a layup by Josh Bustillo dito. So far, siya talaga yung he's leading the way dito for IT Depot Tele-Athletics.
12 points for Josh Bustillo. Sabi nga niya kanina during the half, may iniinda pa raw siya sa kanyang kanang paa.
Partida pa yun,
Partida pa yan. Hawkins for 3. Money ball is good.
That's his third three-pointer in this ball game. That's his signature shot. Talagang dapat hindi mo iiwan sa labas yan,
Yung mga, pag sinabi mo ng Hawkins, shooter talaga. Ito naman si Kuya Bong.
Oo, tsaka yung style ng yung shooting nila, set shot
Set shot talaga. Ira Buico inside for the score.
Ayan, dyan kilala si Ira Buico, di ba, Coach Alvin?
Those garbage points, di ba? Yun yung mga ginagawa niya in his days with UP.
Sino mo how patient the Saints Politek is setting up their half-court sets dito. Talagang di sila magmamadali, swing the ball, hanap na magandang pwesto. Halos lahat nakakahanap ng bola. Look at that, hanggang makakita ng space and then kick out.
Look at that. That was a good orchestration for their play, even though hindi pumasok yun.
What a pass.
Bustillo, the reverse, and may foul. We have to give credit dito sa tinakbo nitong Saints. Maybe dahil nga mahaba yung naging bakasyon nila after they lost in the quarterfinals. Malaking bagay yung naging performance nila. So, take a look at this lakas grabong support natin sa inyo ng Politek. Innovative advertising. And in that play-in doon sa play-in ng bago mag-quarterfinals, doon sila medyo na-disgrasya. And I can, kumaga naalala natin in season 2. And it was a different road para dito kay Coach Dave Gomez. Kasi again, they were the runners-up of that Lakas 40 season 1.
Season 1, yes.
And again, they were not they were not one of those teams na titingnan mo makakapasok nun. Pero nabigla nila lahat. Kaya mas pinagandaan sila in season 2.
Oo, ginulat nila eh. Yung mga ibang teams ng first season. Sama, pinagandaan sila second season. And this time, season 3, sila naman ngayon yung naghanda.
Oo.
Yun yung ginawa nila doon sinasabi mong bakasyon. Yun yung time nila for preparation. Kaya nagpalakas sila. And so far, they're doing good. They're enjoying a 14-point lead. 4 minutes and 36 dito sa ating third quarter, Coach.
Kapati will check in for Ira Buico. And you can see that this Polytech Saints, okay sila for this ball game. But again, the question will always be, how can they sustain it for the entire season, di ba? Kasi syempre, mas-scout na sila dito for after this first game.
Yes.
How can they perform for the remainder of the season? Mahaba itong ating season.
And as a coaching standpoint, Coach Alvin, para sagutin yan, if I were Coach Dave Gomez, I'll tell the team talaga or I'll design or sa mga practices, kailangan pumutok yung mga players. Yung tipong iba-iba yung magbe-best player para hindi predictable. Tapos, syempre, daming firepower dito sa lineup niya. Kung lahat yan puputok, problema yan para sa ibang team. Mas mahirap i-scout yun.
Wow, that's a miss there for Gonzalgo. Here comes Zagala. Torosales, punta kay Sayawan. Sayawan, labas muna ulit. One-hander, no good. Rebound picked up. But that ball goes out.
Yes, kita mo yung Coach Alvin, no? Even though na-miss nila yung shot doon, pero napaka-patient nila. Even pagdating sa transition, hindi talaga sila nararattle.
And Hawkins sits down. Bisagano checks in.
And for IT Depot, Tela Athletics, I'm waiting for Roel Capati to explode.
Yes, still scoreless here.
Oh, siya yung missing link talaga dito.
Shot here for Palomique, no good. Rebound by Gonzalgo. The pass to Gustillo, and Gustillo scores. 14 points now for Josh.
Oh, carrying the load for IT Depot, Tela Athletics, Josh Gustillo, but he needs more support from his teammates.
Ditog the shot. Money ball is good.
Yan sabi kong firepower. Ang daming gunners dito ni Coach Dave Gomez.
At yun yung maganda, no? Merong kang taga-tirada dyan from 3-point distance na wala, yun yung wala sa kanila outside of Ronald Hawkins. Wherein I think this is the most consistent shooter that Coach Dave Gomez has had since season 1. Vitog. The pass, Sayawan, the jumper, no good.
Tapos meron kang Sayawan sa gitna na rim protector. Talagang kompletos regados na yung lineup dito ni Coach Dave Gomez. All they need to do in this season long is, to be consistent.
As Santos was fouled inside. He will shoot 2. And Rob Sayawan will go for that foul. You're taking a look at the lakas shot of the corner and changing the Star Bomb Sport Gear.
Sabi yun, Coach Alvin, talagang dalawa pa yung sumabay sa kanya.
Pag shooter ka, talagang lahat papasok yan. As Abby Santos makes the first free throw to go. Second free throw for Abby Santos. Real name, Abraham Santos, di ba? Abby Santos makes the free throw. Substitution on the floor right now as PJ Reunisto will check in. As we turn it over now to Penelope Wilhelmina with this report on Ronel Manguia.
Even they rerouted their lineup, the core of Saints Polytech is still there. Kabilang na dito si Super Mangi Ronel Manguiat, who is just limited to 5 points and 3 rebounds on the first half. But he isn't named Super Mangi for no reason. Nagja-gel pa lang ulit siya with his team given na may mga bagong teammates siya. That's all for now. Back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Penelope. And he needs to gel quickly dito. They want to take home the victory here. And syempre, minsan mayroon din nilalaro dito ng Saints Polytech. They're playing for pride also for this one because syempre they're one of the pioneer squads in the league. Gusto nila, syempre pioneer kami. Ayaw namin magpatalo sa debuting team.
And syempre one of the heavy favorites din sila dito and because of their lineup. And Yun nga, kanina doon sa play na yun, ang ganda ng pagkaka-challenge ni Alvin Bitog doon. Almost a sure 2 points na sana yun in transition. Pero yun nga, talagang challenge niya. And hindi pa nakakonvert ng basket tuloy ang IT Depot.
France with the rebound. 2-minute mark tayo dito. Bitog na naman. No good on that shot.
Wow.
Oy, that extra pass leading to shot miss.
Sayang.
Sayang ang oportunidad doon para kay Gilbert Tesiganyo. Rebound ni Abby Santos. Gonzalgo. Pass. Palomike, the 3. No, in and out.
Ito, tumatakbo na naman yung Fully Saints.
Pass here. Zabalia. The shot there is good for Gilbert Tesiganyo.
Oh, grabe. Grabe yung chemistry ng Saints Fully Tech dito. Talagang alam nila yung gagawin nila, hitting the right spots, and alam nila kung saan pupwesto, kailan ipapasa. Ang sarap panoorin ngayon ng Saints Fully Tech. Eto na, Coach Alvin.
Yun, nakabus na si Roel Capati na kanyang unang tres. Unang field goal din yan dito.
Yes. So let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy ito. Alam mo naman to si Roel Capati, rhythm shooter to.
Shot ni Maui Pradas, no good. No basket still here for Maui Pradas kasi late na. Naibalik dito si Maui Pradas.
Oo. Paano? Ang ganda rin kasi ng ng laro ng ibang teammates niya eh.
That's a 3-pointer there for PJ Reunisto.
So a quick 6-0 lang courtesy of 2 3-pointers dito for IT Depot, Reunisto and Roel Capati. So they're on a run.
Zabalia. Pass to Vito at the right, left rather. 3-pointer Tanyegra, no good. Rebound, but tulak na konti si Pradas.
So single digit na lang inahabol dito ng IT Depot Teleathletics.
As we take a look at this lakas stress of the quarter at sa inyong Sun Sport, the official basketball of Sinag Ligas. Santos will check back in for this final possession for IT Depot Teleathletics. Or rather, he will be shooting free throws para hindi pala siya pwedeng lumabas dito. Penalty situation na itong Saints Fully Tech.
Oh, ito yung one area na opportunity para makabalik sila dito paunti-unti. But yung first free throw dito ni Abby Santos Mentes.
Isipin mo, Coach Pancho, if possibly in the near future, we can see the players such as Nestor David suit up for this squad. Kasi naglaro na si Toti Almeida dito. Andito nasa lineup din nila dito sa IT Depot, si Josan Cervantes na naglaro na rin sa atin. Isipin mo kung nandito na yan si Nestor David, nandito rin sila Marvin Cruz.
The returning UP Fighting Maroons.
The Fighting
reunion, no?
Oo. That will be a big one there. Tapos idagdag mo possibly si Jairo Ibanez.
Ako. Ang lakas nung lineup na yon.
Sama-sama sila dito. Tapos sa Adamson naman, isama mo dyan sila Ken Bono. Ay, malakas tong komponen na to. If that will be a formed squad in the near future.
Gray mo, pagsasamahin mo yung mga college stars sa isang team ngayon, ha?
Tapos isama mo pa dyan si Hiram Bagatsing. Isang shooter din.
Oo nga eh.
That would be a big one for this squad. As Reunisto no good for the shot, and that will close things out for our third quarter rather of basketball. And it's a 10-point lead for Saints Fully Tech. And let's take a look at some of the highlights here. Zagala, his orchestration leading to baskets such as that para kay dito kay Marvin Sayawan. Jos Castillo continuing to be a scoring threat here for ID Depot with 15 points already. But Ronald Hawkins hitting another 3-pointer here for their squad. Paul Gonzalgo continuing his drive to the basket, but Alvin Vitog and the rest of Saints Fully Tech are on top here by 10 at the end of quarter number 3, 63-53.
back inside the events hall of the SM South Mall here in Las Piñas for the fourth quarter of this ball game. Joshua Castillo, player for ID Depot Tela Athletics, now having a 10 points and 5 rebounds on his debut game. And they have been preparing for a month for this tournament. And I asked him to tell me more about his beliefs given his performance. And he mentioned na he is just making the most out of his playing time dahil nga nagsimula lang sila as a Monday group. But look at them now. They're competing on a league like this. That's all for now. Back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Penelope, for that report. Monday group lang. Ngayon, they're playing in a Sunday. Diba? Let's take a look at our quarter scoring. Looking at the third quarter, 16-15.
Yeah, pretty close third quarter scoring. Nagkaroon kasi ng run at momentum yung IT Depot, Tela Athletics. But itong Saints Pulitec talagang they really kept and controlled the league. Controlled the quarter dito and maintaining their lead dito. That's why lamang pa rin sila ng double digits dito to start the fourth quarter.
Yeah, we stand corrected. That's 18-15 in favor of IT Depot. So, medyo nahuli lang scoring update doon natin. But again, it's 18-15 in that third quarter. But again, you can see that ID Depot just put the shackles, kumbaga, on defense dito sa Saints squad na to. With that 15-point only after scoring 22 and 26 in the first two quarters.
Yes, and also they got a lot of rebounds dito, defensively and offensively. And yung surprisingly dito, nakakuha na rebounds yung mga maliliit na players. But look at that slicing move to the middle.
Patrick Leonisto scoring there. Alvin Vitog moves in. There's a foul. Vitog continuing to be that main presence here.
Yeah. Isa sa mga talaga nakakabili dito kay Alvin Vitog is to, let's take a look at this, drive right here.
Lakas mo sa quarter natin sa inyo ng Cabling E-Holdings Corporation.
And yun nga, speaking of Alvin Vitog, ang maganda sa kanya dito, Coach Alvin, he knows when to shoot, he knows when to attack to close out. Talagang yung timing, yung presence of mind, iba talaga pag veterano, Alvin Vitog.
And Vitog makes a free throw there. Labas muna siya. Pasok si Rosales. So, 54-55 score.
Oh, so may full court trap dito. That forced turnover once again.
Pradas inside for the score. And IT Depot will call a timeout here. Maaga pa sa fourth quarter. Nakikita nila na tumatakbo na naman ang magandang kumpensa ng Saints Pulitec. Good passing leading to a basket. Here by Maui Pradas. That extra pass we need to see once again. 66-55 our score. 11-point lead for Saints Pulitec. As we are back here inside the SM Events Hall. And again, malapit na nga po ang ating Sinag Liga Asia DOJ Interagency Tournament. And it will be an exciting one here. Nasabi na nga ng ating chairman na si Mr. Rocky Chan, it will be happening at the start of 2025.
Wow.
So, a lot of excitement. Hindi lamang po tayo dito naka-focus sa ating mga teams dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Pero again, with help, we are helping pala itong DOJ with their very own tournaments, and we are so excited for that.
Yes, so paunti-unti, Coach Alvin, medyo nakakakuha na tayo ng attention doon sa mga government agencies. Yes. So ito na yung simula sa DOJ. And more companies, more agencies to come as we take a look at Coach Dave Gomez.
Challenge in the league. Head coach's challenge.
Yes. Enjoying an 11-point lead dito sa fourth quarter. So,
Kasi ang possession daw, napunta din sa IT Depot, parang sure sila na doon mapupunta ang possession dapat sa kanila. So, let's see, our referees will be taking a look at this. Edgar Escaros, June Beligaño, and Joel Colendres are our referees for this match-up. And again, happy birthday po sa ating kasamang referee na si Birds Isuga. And also, syempre, happy birthday to our dear Captain Lionheart. Kumbaga, pinag-uusapan natin mga Alvin Bitug, Alvin Zuniga,
Tanyada. Diba? Yun.
Huwag mo na mag-usapan yun. No, Alvin Patrimonio, the captain. Happy birthday sa iyo, Cap. And syempre, belated happy birthday din again kay Vincent. One of our graphics man dyan sa baba sa ating technical sa production team.
Yeah, so ito na, may decision na Coach Alvin.
Officials coaches challenge for
And according to the coaches, challenge is unsuccessful. Possession will go still for IT Depot. Coach, pero malaking bagay din yung may mga ganyang coaches challenge, no? Dahil minsan may possibility ma-overturn.
Yes, and it can also change complexion based sa decision ng coaches challenge. So, lalo na pagka close ball game.
Leonisto, the pass to Jay Valdez. Valdez moves in, Valdez up, no. Rebound by Valdez.
Ngayon lang ulit siya binalik, no? After ng magandang performance siya ng first half.
Yes, first basket nga niya, pasok agad yun to start. Here is Rosales. The pass to the corner, Taniegra for 3. And it goes in.
Grabe, itong Saints fully tech na to. Talagang every player knows where to locate their teammates and talagang pumapasok yung mga tira nila eh. And ito na naman sila, tumatakbo sila rito. Wow!
Shot there for Gilbert Desagano.
Yeah, the Saints fully tech Coach Alvin is on a tear right now, scoring back-to-back baskets.
Here is a move inside by Gonzalo. And counted ba yun? Mukhang hindi. Mukhang sa baba pa lang.
Blocking foul on 6. J.R. Rosales, that's his third. Second foul. Substitution. Arriving call for Matt Reeves.
And Buico will check back in.
Shot clock, 15 seconds.
15-second shot clock here. Inside, nice fake here. And a basket there for Ira Buico.
Yeah, tama. May hirap na pigilan sa Ira Buico pag nandun na sa inside lane, shaded lane dito because of his, malaki pa rin ang katawan ni Ira Buico at magaling gumamit ng katawan.
Shot there, no good. Gustillo picks it up. Fast break. Gonzalo to Gustillo. Gustillo, the drive and the score.
Yeah.
Josh Gustillo now with 17 points.
Yeah, continues to lead his team dito for the IT Depot. Tela Athletics trying to salvage his team's performance dito, but he needs a lot of support from his teammates dito. And yun yung kulang dito sa IT Depot Tele Athletics. And look at that.
Nice extra pass. Rosales scores.
Wow, how can you stop a team like Saints Pulitec who's been knocking down a lot of outside shots, getting a lot of offensive rebounds, running down the fast breaks. Talagang they're doing everything, Coach Alvin.
Buico inside. The shot is good for Ira Buico.
Nagkakaroon ng momentum to si Ira Buico. All he needs to get is a lot of ball touches inside the paint. So yun yung kailangan ditong hanapin. Especially kasama niya si Abby Santos sa loob.
Shot here. Zapalia wala. Rebound. And
yeah. Ito yung nakaka-impress sa Saints Pulitec eh. Talaga lumalaban yung mga maliliit na players ni Coach Dave Gomez when it comes to rebounds. Hindi sila nagpapa-intimidate to the likes of Abby Santos and Ira Buico.
And right now, batiin lang natin nanonood ang team owner mismo ng Pulitec, Ma'am Ala Salvador. Siyempre kasama rin mga anak nila na si Summer Storm Salvador. Summer and si Storm Salvador.
Wow.
Nanonood yan.
Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching and thank you for the continued support dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. And also quick shoutout sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon. And ito si Gonda Edralin na naglaro ng Season 1 sa amin sa Taytay J Project at ngayon, player siya ngayon ng Team Exile. So, watch out for Mac Edralin. Thank you sa panonood. And syempre, yung Kyrie Irving ng Tondo na si Paulo Hoxon na nanonood ngayon, na aking kumpare. Grabe, idol, kailan mo ko tuturuan? Kailan mo ko isasama? TFTI.
Kaya nga, alam mo, inaantay ko talaga kung makikita ko maglaro naman. Kasi nakita ko na dito maglaro si Direk Nomar, si Direk Billy, nakita ko na maglaro dito. Kaya inaantay ko kung kailan maglalaro yung Pancho Alfonso eh.
Antay mo sa Season 2 ng Kalibre 45. Dahil sakto, 45 na ako. And,
uy, talaga? 45 ka na?
Yes, speaking of Kalibre, eto na. Pinakitaan tayo ng Kalibre ni Ira Buico. Meron din pala siya tira sa labas.
7-point lead na lamang dito ng Saints Polytech. And again, I cannot believe that 45 years old na po si Coach Pancho. Mukha lang pong 44. Coach Pancho Alfonso.
Ang dami nagsabi sa akin yan, Coach Alvin.
Yan.
Yes.
3-pointer ni Hawkins, wala.
Oo, at isa pa. Si Super Andeng Kerubin, nanonood talaga.
Uy!
Grabe to, si Super Andeng Kerubin ng Tito Rex Firewire.
At muli, syempre, sa mga kababayan natin dyan po sa buong Luzon, sabihin natin sa buong Luzon, pero lalo na sa southern part of Luzon. Siyempre, mag-ingat po ang ating mga kababayan at kasamahan natin dyan sa Kabikulan. Mga kasama natin dyan. Siyempre, mga kaibigan din natin dyan, sila Earl at saka si Jernel.
Yes.
Ingat po tayo dyan. Nakita natin yung hagupit ng bagyong Pepito.
Kaya ingat kayo dyan, mga kababayan namin. And of course, prayers are always with you. But back to live action tayo dito.
Dito nga sa Metro Manila, medyo ramdam lang natin ng konti yung hangin at medyo ulan na maliliit. Pero again, eto po, sana po mag-relax lang kayo dyan. Mag-enjoy nyo na lamang po ang laro na dala ng inyong Sinag Liga Asia.
Kung ano yung lakas ng hangin sa labas, Coach Alvin, yung init naman sa laro dito between Saints Polytech and IT Depot Teleathletics, as IT Depot is having a mini run, Coach Alvin. Eto, papaba yung lamang nila. But of course, Alvin Bitong, hindi papayag dyan. Ang ganda ng pasa underneath kay Sayawan.
And Sayawan rather scoring there.
But time is not on the side of IT Depot Teleathletics. They need a lot of quick shots, a lot of stops para makahabol dito. Even though single digits na lang. And wow, fadeaway shot.
Sayawan na naman yung naka-blanca doon.
Pangatlo
na yun. Kaya ma-average ang 1.3 yan eh. Kasi kada laro meron laging isa eh.
Eto, 7 na lang, Coach Alvin, from as high as 15.
Yes! And Ron Zags setting it up here.
Yeah, right thing to do. Wise thing to do. Talagang gamitin nila yung oras nila. At dyan naman sila effective eh, yung kanilang mga half-court sets.
Manggiat, nandun yung depensa. Labas mo na kay Zagala. Ikot na naman. Top of the key, 3. No good for Hawkins. Look at that. Who got the rebound? Super Mangi.
Yes, sabi ko, aggressive yung mga guards dito ng Saints Polytech sa rebound. Lumalaban sa mga big men ng IT Depot.
Zagala, ligay dito kay Vitong. Extra pass kay Sayawan. Sayawan the hook.
There's a whistle.
Ano ba yun? Shot na violation muna. Bago yung foul.
Nauna yung shot clock violation, Coach Alvin, as we have a timeout.
Yes, and our score 75-68. Pito na lamang po ang lamang ng Saints Polytech dito sa ating fourth court.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
As we are back here inside the SM Events Hall, third level of SM South Mall. The fans are coming out to watch the games here. And syempre makita yung kanilang mga tito, mga kuya na naglalaro dito. Syempre, this is the perfect spot right now. It's a Sunday. The kids are here. Maaga pa, mag-aalas 3 pa lang ng hapon, di ba?
Exactly, Coach Alvin. And sabi mo nga, perfect time and a perfect place to spend your Sunday
Yes.
dito inside the SM Events Hall because nandito na lahat di ba? Kaya nga, we got it all for you. Yun yung tagline nila rito. Talaga nga naman, gusto mo entertainment, manood ka dito. Gusto mo movies, manood ka dito. Kain, kompleto lahat dito, mag-shopping, lalo-lalo na yung mga mapipera kagaya mo, Coach Alvin.
Hindi, syempre. Siyempre, kung gusto mo manood, pag gusto mo panoorin yung mga manlalaro natin, dyan lang sinihan, manood ng, Hello Love Again.
Huy!
Hindi naman. Tapos after nun, kakain sa baba. Ang daming kainan sa baba, di ba? So enjoy lang man po dito sa SM South Mall. Super Mangi drives in. Teka lang. May foul. Traveling rather is called.
Yes, talagang great job by Abby Santos shutting down the baseline dito para kay Super Mangi. So, basta niya na yung two-man game ni Hawkins.
Yes, ito, another opportunity for IT Depot to inch closer here.
That's right. Hindi pa naman tapos dito and may pag-asa pa sila. That could have been big kung pumasok yun, Coach.
And mukhang hawak itong si Abby Santos. Abby Santos here in this ball game. 13 points and 7 rebounds here in this ball game. Double-double na si Josh Castillo with 15 points and 10 rebounds. We have a timeout on the floor. 75-68 our score. Let's take a look at once again at our 10 participating teams. Coach Pancho, we do have a total of 6 teams to be exact na mga nagbabalik. 3 ang bago at yung isa may combination ng bago at luma.
That's right. Kaya nga mas exciting itong Sinag Lakas 40 3.0 natin as we take a look at some of our Sinag Lakas basketball fans na nanonood dito live inside the SM Events Hall. And yun nga, yung pinakita yung 10 participating teams, lots of player movements ang nangyari dyan. Diba? So talagang kasabik-sabik. Gaya nga na itong Saints Pulitech, diba? Kita mo, old faces, pero different new teams naman. Pero same intensity ng laro, Coach Alvin.
Mga umaga, major additions to their major subtraction.
Yun.
As we enter the twilight zone, the last 2 minutes here of this match-up, ang ating debut ng Season 3 as Paul Gonzalgo cuts the lead to 5.
Wow, that was a difficult shot by Paul Gonzalgo. A runner shot dito. Pero more importantly, the lead is just down to 5. They're still in the ball game.
Yes, and Ira Buico fouls. Ito si J.R. Rosales. At IT Depot in team penalty now. This will be free throws for J.R. Rosales. Rosales here in this ball game, only 7 points here in this ball game. Ito si Super Mangi. Ito mo yung stats ni Super Mangi. 6 points. Look at that. Shooting 1 out of 10 from the field here.
Yeah, parang a bad shooting night dito for Super Mangi. Because, siyempre, he's a markman Diba? Parang alam na yung laro niya. Parang pinaghandaan na siya. But, the good thing about Saints Pulitech is marami sila ngayon babantayan dito. Kaya yung point production is equally distributed. Hindi na lang si Super Mangi.
And kaya nga sila, tignan mo the starters. Look at the starters points. Only Ronald Hawkins nandyan na halos malapit sa double figures. The rest, ang bababa niyan. But again, look at the bench production. 13 kay Pradas, 13 kay Vitog, 8 kay Tanyegra, 6 kay Desegaño.
Diba?
Look at the bench.
Total team effort, no, Coach Alvin?
Miss there and rebound by Hawkins.
Sayang yung kung pumasok yung basket ni Abby Santos.
Hawkins brings it down. And you take a look at the lineup right now of Saints Pulitech. Though your 2 top scoring guys are not on the floor right now, di ba? Ganyang katiwala ito si Coach Dave sa kanyang lineup na yun.
Yes, tsaka loaded ng guards dito inside yung 5 players na because yung kailangan ng ball handlers dito kasi anticipate niya na magpe-pressure itong IT Depot.
Bustillo, the pass to Gonzalgo. Kaya alam, masyadong pakabig pakanan eh.
Yes.
Yung pasa.
Bad angle. Sayang yon. Lost opportunity for them.
Balik muna si Vitog sa loob. Kasi sabi nga natin, wala eh, walang scoring. Pasok mo natin, mo yung pasa. That is way to the right. Hindi na maaabot ni Gonzalgo. Coach Dave Gomez looking for a debut win here in season number 3.
Oh, great anticipation, Tito.
Foul there on Rosales. So, oportunidad muli para sa IT Depot.
Yes, turnover. Ang ganda ng anticipation doon.
Ronald Hawkins there.
Ian Nance Halandon.
14 seconds from the shot clock.
Halandon gives it to Abby Santos. They need to make a quick basket here. Iyon,
muntik
na naman. Gonzalgo, the 3, that's short.
Oh, they don't need us 3. Just a quick 2.
Zagala, the pass to Hawkins. Yun lang, masyadong mababa yung pasa.
You know, IT Depot, Tele-Athletics Coach Alvin is getting their chances, but hindi sila nakaka-convert.
And right now, it's 77-70 our score. And the Saints Polytech are looking good here with 38.8 seconds remaining dito, Coach Pancho.
Yes, both teams are forcing a lot of turnovers from each other, but din nga, hindi nako-convert ang IT Depot Tele-Athletics. But again, time is not on their side, so that's gonna be an advantage dito for Saints Polytech. So nagkaroon ng momentum itong IT Depot Tele-Athletics, but Saints Polytech holding on to their lead using their experience dito sa Sinag Liga Asia.
And again, it started this year in Pampanga. We continue it over in Cagayan de Oro, our SLA Junior World Showcase on July 5 to 12. Next year na po yan. And Coach Pancho, we had fun over in Pampanga. And again, maraming salamat kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda for his support there. And isipin mo kung ano naman ang pwedeng madala ng Cagayan de Oro.
Oo, syempre sa akin, malapit sa akin yung Cagayan de Oro na yan. Diyan din ako nag-coach before. And yun, excited ako makabalik dyan. Sana makasama ako dyan.
So, Zagala scoring there. And that could be the nail in the coffin there.
Yes.
The shot by Halandon, no good. And rebound picked up by nobody, but that is last touch on the...
Slim chances dito for IT Depot Tele-Athletics. 15 seconds remaining dito sa ating laro and 11 on their shot clock. They need a quick 3 here.
4 seconds differential shot clock and game clock. Na-review na ating mga referees to. And again, up next, another debuting squad is getting ready to take home its first game.
Ito, Coach Alvi, they're reviewing the play.
Magnificent Manila will be debuting here in our league.
Yes.
Makakatapat naman nila. Siyempre, one of our pioneer squads also in JC2 Slashers. They will be up next and gusto lang reviewin ng ating mga referees muna yung last out-of-bound play since we're under the last 2 minutes. And our referees mukhang nakuha na. And they'll just go over to ito si Irvin Kayanan, sa timer. Siya may hawak ng timer natin. And for our official time remaining. And our official time remaining. Ubus na yung shot clock, di ba? Ubus na yan. Pinag-uusapan na lang. Ubus na yung 24 pero may 14 pa pala sa clock. So 18.7 seconds. So 4.7 seconds differential shot clock and game clock.
Yep. And again, quick 3 dito or quick basket. Regardless.
Gonzalgo no good and Taniegra gets the board.
Yes,
and
that should be it.
IT Depot says no more fouls. Pero didepensa lang sila dito. Possible for quotient kasi, di ba? If in case of a tie, and Gonzalo will try to just cut into that 9-point lead, cutting it to 7. And that will be it here as Saints Polytech takes home win number 1 in match number 1 of your Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 3.0. And it was a good job for their squad. Slow start, pero maganda pa rin yung itinakbo ng kanilang koponan to take home the victory. Our final score, it is 79-72, kung saan itong Saints Polytech takes home the victory. Great job para sa kanila. Muli po Alvin Tanyada together with Coach Pancho Alfonso on the call for this matchup. And Coach Pancho, maganda yung ginawa nila dito ng Saints Polytech. Again, it's a retooled squad. No more Gilbert Palamanan, but again, the players that they added were major factors in this win.
Indeed, Coach Alvin. I like the system. I like the flow ng offense nila, talagang unselfish. That's why they got a lot of assists. They got a lot of fast break points. And yung depensa nila, ang napaka-solid. That's why nahirapan yung ITB po Teleathletics. And ang daming candidate for best player of the game dito kasi almost lahat ng pinilti ni Coach Dave Gomez nag-contribute.
And it was the cannonball himself that got our player of the game. Kasama na ngayon siya ni Penelope Wilhelmina, Alvin Vitug.
And yes, together with me is our Sinag Lakas best player of the game from Saints Polytech with 13 points, 9 rebounds, and 2 assists, Alvin Vitug. Alvin, first of all, congratulations for winning your debut game here for Saints Polytech. No? Given na bago ka lang sa team ninyo, no, how do you manage to come up big?
Naka-practice naman ako sa kanilang 3 beses bago mag-start yung game na to. Siguro, inadapt ko lang din yung chemistry nila. Naki-join ako sa kulitan, sa biroan. Siyempre sa practice, seryoso kami. Saka yun, yung maganda yung pag-welcome nila sa akin. Kaya siguro na-adapt ko agad yung system ng Santa Rosa Saints. Malaking bagay yun. Sa 3 practice ko, siguro, feeling ko welcome na welcome ako. Kaya, yun, maganda yung practice namin. Na-apply namin sa game yun.
Baka meron ka mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
Siyempre, unahin ko na yung mga boss namin sa Santa Rosa Saints Polytech. Kay Boss Dutch PS, kay Coach Dave Gomez, maraming salamat sa pagkuha mo sa akin. Na-welcome ako, ang ganda yung pagka-welcome sa akin dito sa Santa Rosa. Binabati ko rin pala sila, yung mga kaibigan ko, si Aris sa Florida, si Unyor sa Ubando, tapos si Boss Marvin ng Lancaster, binabati ko, si Boss 5 Mays ng Boss JD, boss ng 5 Mays, tapos si Mike Dizon ng CMJ, binabati ko rin. Tsaka si Boss Arbel Cabaling na LOP Arobena, binabati ko rin. Tsaka ano pa pala, Ball Up Athletics, thank you.
Again, congratulations. Once again, that's Alvin Vitug, our Sinag Lakas best player of the game. Now back to you, Alvin and Coach Pancho.
Thank you very much, Penelope, with our Sinag player of the game, Alvin Vitug. And that is how you want to close out a debut for match para sa ating Lakas 40 3.0.
Yes, Coach Alvin. It was the Saints Polytech who started it right.
And that is how we want to close it out here for our first game. And up next, ito nga po yung bakbakan ng ating debuting Team Magnificent Manila. Makakatapat naman nila itong JC2 Architecture Studio Slashers. For Penelope Wilhelmina and Coach Pancho Alfonso, my name is Alvin Tanyada. And we'll see you in our second game of your Sunday Showdown.